fan, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today I'm going to be attempting to strip this black hair color from my hair. I dyed my hair probably about 2 weeks ago or so, and I'm just not really feeling this dark hair color. It came out a little bit darker than, well, a lot a bit darker than what I actually wanted. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to take this hair color out. I did a lot of research. I was going to use the color Oops. And then there was another one that I was looking at. But since I've colored my hair so much recently, I decided to try to steer away from like the chemical process. So I looked it up and I decided to do the vitamin C in the Head and Shoulders method. So I have just the classic clean Head and Shoulder in 500 milligrams of the vitamin C.
Some people crack an egg, though. You can crack an egg over your head, too. Use the egg.
That's a protein treatment. So I will show you guys the process of me actually mixing it together and putting it on. So I will see you guys here in just a little bit.
Laugh and your hair falls out.
My kids are just so wonderful, aren't they? Anyway, see you guys in a little bit. I know, my hammer is a little bit crusty, but it's all I can find, so please do not come for me in the comments. And plus, it worked out just fine. Okay, so I lied. My hammer did not work out as well as I had hoped. I wanted it to be a more powder consistency, but for some reason I couldn't get it to that. I guess if I would have did it for a little bit longer, it probably would have worked out better, but oh well, it is what it is. Okay, so now I'm going to start applying it to my hair, and I'm going to work my way from the back to the front. Now, I did find that this was a little bit drying. Pretty sure it was because of the Head and Shoulders. Also, it gets a little bit stiff as you're applying it. However, once you rinse it out with warm water and conditioner, it's fine. But please make sure that you are crushing those tablets into a more powdery consistency because clearly I did not, and that's why I have chunks everywhere. Working, I can tell. It is getting lighter. So I'm going to leave it on here for about 30-45 minutes, and then I will come back and let you guys know what it looks like. Now after this, I did do the Apogee 2-step protein treatment, and I also followed up with a conditioning mask. Okay guys, so this is the turnout of the hair. As you can see, it got a lot lighter than it originally was. It's definitely not black. So clearly the vitamin C in the Head and Shoulders method actually works. Now, if you look at my video that I posted just before this one, you will see that my hair is more of a bleached color, especially towards the tips. The only thing that I didn't previously color was the top of my head. I think it turned out pretty good for me to have not used bleach or anything like that, or any box dye to lift my hair color. I think it turned out good. I wanted to see how it would look on obviously someone with my hair texture, and here you go. So it does work. Now I am wondering if I had used like 5,000 milligrams or even 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C, if it would have lifted it even lighter. I'm really not sure, but I think I'm going to stop here because like I said, I really love the dark brown color. I did cut off about 1 inch of hair only because from my previous coloring job, I did damage my ends a lot, so they are gone. Look at my cat, y'all. Y'all want to see my cat? Yo, Tubbs. Look at him. Literally covers the whole window. Indy. What's up, Indy? What's up? Yeah, he's real chill. But yeah, this is the hair color. Okay, so now you can really see the color now that I'm not in front of the window, hopefully. And yeah, it definitely worked. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down below. If you have any questions, just put them down below also, and I will try to help you as best as I can. Thank you guys. Bye.